Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumbered Barbecue. Today we're going to be making some smoked brisket dip. Have here some leftover brisket, green onion, pepper jack cheese, 8 ounces cream cheese, Duke's mayo, your favorite brisket rub, and your favorite barbecue sauce. So stick around, I'll show you how we do it. So here we have about a ½ pound of leftover brisket. I'm going to cut this up into small pieces. You can keep it any size you like. Now you have that all chopped up, we're going to put that to the side and we're going to slice up our onion. Now we're going to add a little bit of extra barbecue rub to our brisket. You can use any rub you like. I'm going to use this Meat Church Holy Gospel. So here we have 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. To that we're going to add 1/2 cup of mayo and 1/2 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. And now we're going to mix it up until it's smooth. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to add our chopped brisket. Get that folded in. Next we're going to add about 1.5 cups of our shredded pepper jack cheese. And finally we're going to add about 1/4 cup of our sliced green onion. Now you can put this in a small baking dish. I'm going to use this small cast iron skillet. Sprinkle the remaining pepper jack cheese on top. Now at this point you could put this on your smoker and cook. Today I'm going to use the oven set to 350 degrees. We're going to cook this at 350 degrees about 20 minutes or until it gets bubbly on the edges and brown on top. Now the dip is out of the oven, we're going to add a little bit extra barbecue sauce on top and garnish it with a little bit of green onion. Now the only thing left is to taste. Now I promise at your next Super Bowl party, everybody's going to be bringing buffalo chicken dip, but no one will have smoked brisket dip. Well, thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll be seeing you.